Good evening, my friends. An era has ended, a voice that spoke for the poor, the suffering, and for love itself has now fallen silent on April 21, 2025. Easter Monday, Pope Francis said goodbye to the world, but his idea, his light, and his love is live on forever. Pope Francis, born Jorge Mario Bergoglio, come from a humble family in Buenos Aires, Argentina. When he became the 2026 Pope in 2013, he shocked the world. He refused palace, choosing a simple apartment. He rejected glittering jewelry, wearing only a plain cross, and most importantly, he loved every soul the world had forgotten. His message was clear: the church should be an open home, not a closed fortress. There was peace in his smile, there was an ocean of compassion in his eyes. On April 21, in the Vatican's Casa Santa Marta, Pope Francis took his final breath. A stroke and cardiac arrest took him away from us. 5 days later, St. Peter Square witnessed on one of the largest funeral ceremonies in history. Over 25 2,50,000 people, world leader, religious figure, and ordinary people gathered to honor him. Among them were US President Donald Trump, French President Emmanuel Macron, and Ukraine President Volodymyr Zelensky. But the most unforgettable moment came when Trump and Zelensky, two leader options in at odds, meet warmly, setting aside all politics to honor Pope Francis. Trump said to Zelensky, "Today is not about politics. Today we bow our head for humanity." Zelensky replied with a hand on his heart, "Pope Francis was the dream of peace. Now it's your duty to keep that dream alive." Their emotional exchange stunned everyone present. For a brief moment, humanity trumped over politics, and the camera captured that are rare, powerful sight. Pope Francis has made a special request. He wishes not to be buried in the Grand St. Peter Basilica, but it's a Basilica of St. Maria Maggiore, where he often prays in solitude. At his, at his tomb, there are no golden crown, no marble walls, just a single white rose and one simple word engraved Francis, a symbol of his humility, his simplicity, and his undying love for humanity. Pope Francis taught us that real strength does not come from power but from humility.